everyone, this is Kyle, and we have another home tour. So the one we have today is from Mungo Homes. It's in Nantahala II. And let's take a moment to, really appreciate this entry. Pretty cool. And on the right, this is going to be your flex and dining area. So love the ceiling, incredible place to put a dining table. But check out this family room that flows right into the eat-in as well as the kitchen. But check out this countertops. A little more of a contrast, so got more of a black countertop, black accents with the hardware. A little different, but let's get into it. It's modern sleek. That's what I'm gonna call it. But this one will have the gourmet kitchen. But look at that gas stove. Love it. And backsplash, pretty cool. Yeah, now let's take another look at this kitchen to family room. Really, intentional spacing. You have your table right here. Love the flooring, light and airy. Really opens up the space. Got the fan running, but fireplace. And we will have the sunroom. Now, this is pretty nice. You have a lot of natural light coming in. You have the option to use it however you like. It could be a sit-in, another table, an office space. It's really up to you. The options are endless. But let's take a closer look. Moving on. Alright, and now this floor plan will have the primary bedroom on the first floor. So pretty cool. Very usable space, a nice sized room. Got the two windows that's going to give a lot of natural light. Pretty cool. Got carpet. They put LVP through the bathroom that goes into the closet, which will have carpet. But love this double head shower. Pretty cool. Where else do you see this? Love this tiling right there. Again, keeping the very similar theme throughout the kitchen into the bathroom. A lot of usable space in the closet. Pretty cool. All right, moving on. This is going to be the laundry room. The other door, that's the way from the garage. Bathroom right there. Now let's head upstairs. All right, so we're upstairs. Nice area. You can place a desk or storage, but check out this loft. A lot of usable space right there. Really love it. Pretty cool. You can look down. You got a nice area where you could decorate as well, make it your own. But upstairs is going to have some carpet. And this floor plan will have additional 3 bedrooms upstairs. So let's check them out. But this is the bathroom too. Again, very similar to downstairs, I believe. Yeah. Moving on to bedroom 4. Pretty usable space. Looks like 11 by 11 in that realm. Now bedroom 3, what you can say is Jack and Jill. This will connect to the other bedroom as well as a connecting bathroom. But one cool thing, you have your sink, but a separate door to the bathroom into the shower space. So a lot of privacy right there. Pretty cool. Let's check out the last bedroom. Take a quick look outside. Check out this space. We're in Lexington, North Carolina. Definitely check us out. But look at the closet and a lot of space, as I keep saying. Pretty cool. Yeah, so this is going to be upstairs. So 3 bedrooms and a nice loft. But hey, it could be a game room, hangout room. It's yours. Let's take a look out front. Across the way, that's our model home. So definitely visit us right there. Let's head downstairs. All right, and one thing I want to highlight is this backyard space. So this one, nice see-through door. Nice patio space. Man, options are endless. You can extend the patio. What can you do? What would you do? Leave a comment down below. What would you do this outdoor space? But really like the siding. It's coming off gray on the video, but it's like an olive green. I'll say that. But a lot of space. Great for entertaining. It's a pretty level space as well. Let's take the look at the backyard. See the sunroom. Pretty cool. It's a nice sunny day, so try and keep the warmth before winter comes. But pretty cool. Before we wrap this video, I just want to show you the inside one last time to appreciate the design details. And if this is something you like, definitely leave a comment down below. We could get back to you. But with nice kitchen, modern, sleek, light, airy, nice contrast throughout the house as well. But definitely love these elements. But make sure you leave a comment and subscribe for more. Again, we're at Fieldstone with Mungo Homes in Lexington, North Carolina. If you know where that is, leave a comment. If not, make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for more floor plans to come. See you next time.